Hey there, welcome to my honest review and money-making guide for Swagbucks. If you're anything like me, you've probably heard about Swagbucks and wondered if it's a legitimate way to make some extra cash online or just another scam. Well, today I'm going to share my experience with Swagbucks, including how much you can realistically earn and whether it's worth your time. So, let's dive right in. Swagbucks is a popular online rewards program that allows users to earn points or Swagbucks by completing various tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. These points can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash via PayPal. Sounds simple enough, right? But is it too good to be true? Let's address the elephant in the room. Is Swagbucks legit or a scam? Well, after using Swagbucks for several months myself and doing some research, I can confidently say that Swagbucks is indeed a legitimate platform. They've been around for over a decade and have paid out millions of dollars to their users. However, that doesn't mean it's a get-rich-quick scheme. The earning potential with Swagbucks is modest at best, and it requires time and effort to accumulate enough points for meaningful rewards. How much can you realistically earn? Now, let's talk numbers. How much can you realistically earn with Swagbucks? Well, it depends on several factors such as the time you're willing to invest, the tasks you complete, and your demographics. On average, most users can expect to earn anywhere from $1 to $3 per hour spent on Swagbucks activities. That translates to roughly $30 to $90 per month if you dedicate a few hours each day. So, earning $50 a day with Swagbucks alone is quite ambitious and unlikely for most users. But fear not, I've compiled a list of tips to help you maximize your earnings on Swagbucks. Complete the highest paying tasks first. Focus on surveys, offers, and activities that reward you with the most Swagbucks per minute. Set a daily goal. Determine how much time you're willing to spend on Swagbucks each day and set a realistic earnings goal. Take advantage of bonuses. Swagbucks often offers bonuses for reaching certain milestones or completing specific tasks. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your earnings. Refer friends. Swagbucks has a referral program that rewards you for referring new users. Encourage your friends and family to sign up, using your referral link to earn extra Swagbucks. In conclusion, Swagbucks can be a legitimate and fun way to earn some extra cash online. However, it's essential to manage your expectations and understand that it's not a get-rich-quick solution. With patience, consistency, and the right strategies, you can earn a decent amount of money on Swagbucks over time. So, give it a try and see if it works for you. Happy earning! A Swagbucks member can earn gift cards and PayPal cash for completing different online activities. Take online surveys, shop online, redeem swag codes, play games, search the web, and more. Members simply sign up with an email address and password, and after members verify their account, they can start earning points in the Swagbucks rewards currency called SB. Once members have as few as 110 SB, they can redeem the points for free gift cards. They can also go for PayPal payments, a check in the mail, or donate all or a portion of their earnings to a charity. You can make the donation directly from the Swagbucks portal. Is Swagbucks legit? It's easy to have suspicions about or question the legitimacy of a website like Swagbucks that's given away over $650 million to its members. It turns out, however, that Swagbucks is 100% legit with hundreds of thousands of happy users. Every day, tens of thousands of Swagbucks members get free gift cards and PayPal cash from Swagbucks. What's the evidence that Swagbucks is legit? For starters, Swagbucks' parent company Prodigy has a rating with the Better Business Bureau. Swagbucks also has over 25,000 reviews on Trustpilot with an overall rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. There are also countless write-ups across the web attesting to Swagbucks' legitimacy. A simple search for Swagbucks reviews on Google will turn up numerous results from several different review sites, all of which report that Swagbucks is definitely not a scam. Swagbucks user review scores. Swagbucks has top user review scores by users. on a number of review sites. Excellent review on Trustpilot for 0.3 of 5.0 stars from 25. 700 plus reviews. Google Play for 0.2 of 5.0 stars from 82,800 plus reviews for the app. iTunes for 0.4 of 5.0 stars from 60,400 reviews for the app. Jabber for 0.3 of 5.0 stars from 9,000 plus reviews. Swagbucks in the news and media. Swagbucks has got lots of great coverage in the press. Swagbucks has been featured as one of the apps or ways to make money in these news outlets. Business Insider, it's an easy way to make money online. Scary Mommy, best apps to save you money. US News and World Report, how to earn gift cards with Swagbucks and swag codes. CNET, earn rewards for searching the web. Salt Lake Tribune, ways to make up to $500 in extra money this month. Better Homes and Gardens, make extra money from your phone anywhere. Forbes, 5 ways to make more money without lifting a finger. New York Times, for free apps that can earn you extra cash. Los Angeles Times, side gig options abound for college students. Money Talks News, how you can score gift cards for free. Wall Street Journal, ways to jumpstart your emergency savings. Yahoo Finance, how to make money without a 9 to -5 job. Chicago Tribune, this couple paid off $5,000 in debt on one income in 1 month. Woman's Day, surveys you can take to make money. MarketWatch, this mother took her family on a $2,200 vacation to Disney World for free. Good Morning America, shop smart with these top tools. Mashable, legit ways to make money without leaving your house. Refinery 29, cell phone side hustle, extra ways to make money. Thrillist, 10 totally legit ways to make real money online. BuzzFeed, totally legit ways to make money in your spare time. How do Swagbucks members make money using the service? There are a number of ways that members legitimately make money online using Swagbucks. Take surveys for money. Members who complete Swagbucks surveys will SB. Market research companies work with Swagbucks to collect members' opinions through online surveys about products and services. Members complete market research via paid surveys, either on the Swagbucks app or the Swagbucks website. Answering surveys is probably the most popular way to make money online through Swagbucks, which is why Swagbucks is known as one of the best survey sites out there. It doesn't require users to spend any money to make money, and there are thousands of surveys offered every day on a wide range of topics, and because it's such a popular way for members to get free gift cards, Swagbucks has a special Swagbucks survey app called Swagbucks Answer. The Swagbucks Answer app has a 4.4-star rating with over 71,000 reviews in the Google Play Store, and a 4.3 rating in the Apple App Store with over 30,000 reviews. This means you can answer surveys and earn cash anywhere you've got internet connection. Answer surveys on your work PC, laptop, tablet, or on your phone at a coffee shop or while watching TV on the couch.